Welcome everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through Fergus Falls on the Riverwalk. This is the first stop. It's behind the fire hall, and I will have all the stops and all the important locations listed in the description. Listen to that. I'm finishing up here at Barefoot Park. Boy, the birds are singing out here. This is one of the most peaceful places in town. There are people that come out here to party though, so. But this is kind of a local spot. They haven't even been mowing out here, and there's no garbages or anything. This is pack in, pack out. Looks like the locals are packing in, burning out. But at least they have been keeping it pretty clean, whoever's out here. So if you ever come to Fergus Falls, that is one of the things you can do. Number one, visit the Riverwalk and breathe in the sights and the sounds of Fergus Falls. Get out there, live your big story, and keep following me on YouTube. I should show you guys this car I want to buy. It's pretty cool. Like, it's a Toyota, but it's expensive. Everything's expensive. I'm not going to buy it, but if I had the money to hello. If I had money to burn, this would be the car. Let's go. It's a 2011 Toyota Highlander. I'm not real big on the maroon, but I've never had a maroon car. But what I love is it is freaking impeccable. I don't even see any door dings in this thing. As you can see, they want $83.99, which is a pretty damn expensive price. But I mean, oh, there I see some door dings right there. I don't know if you can catch it. Right at the back of that door. Two little door dings. But other than that, this thing is clean, clean, clean. Nice. But can you believe it? A car that's 9 years old and has almost 200,000 miles on is still almost $10,000. Like, I'd still be happy to be making 13 bucks an hour. It really makes me wonder. All right, guys, now I'm gone. Peace.